Welcome back. Today we are going to learn about something really useful. It is called NAS, which means Network Attached Storage. If you have ever heard people say I keep my files on my NAS and you wondered what that's mean, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will understand everything nice and simple. So what exactly is a NAS? NAS is like a smart box or any computer that stores your data like photos, videos, document, backup and more. But here's the main point. Instead of connecting to just one computer, a NAS connect to your network. That means everyone in your home or office can access it through Wi-Fi or LAN cable. You can think of NAS as your own private cloud storage, just like Google Drive or Dropbox, but it stays in your house or office. No one else control it. You own it. Let's see how it actually works. When you buy a NAS, you connect it to your Wi-Fi router using a LAN cable. Then you insert one or more hard drives inside the NAS. Once everything is set up, the NAS appears on your network just like another computer from your PC, laptop, tablet or even your phone. You can open it, upload files, download files or stream media all through your network. It is like having a share folder that everyone in your network can use, but much faster, smarter and safe. And if you enable remote access, you can even use your NAS from anywhere in the world, like a personal cloud server. Now let's break down the main component of a NAS. What's inside it? Main board. This is the heart of brain of the NAS. It's control everything just like a computer motherboard. Processor. It runs the operating system, manage file sharing, backups and even video streaming tasks. RAM. This helps the NAS work smoothly when many people use it at the same time. Network port, LAN port. This is where you connect the NAS to your router or switch using an Ethernet cable. Hard drive base. These are the slot where you insert your hard drives. Some NAS devices have 2 bays, some 4, 8 or even more. Cooling fans keeps the NAS cool while it runs 24/7. Power supply gives power to the system just like your PC power adapter. LED indicators show power, network and drive status. All these parts work together to keep your data stored safely and available anytime. Let's quickly talk about how to set up a NAS. First, unbox your NAS and open the hard drive base. Insert your hard drives one by one. Remember, number your drives correctly like 1, 2, 3, 4 to avoid confusion later. Close the tray and connect the NAS to your router using a LAN cable. Plug in the power cable and turn it on. Now on your computer, open a browser and type the NAS setup, like for example Synology NAS uses find.synology.com. Follow the step wizard. Will install the NAS operating system, usually called DSM, Disk Manager. Once done, you can log in, create folder and start storing files. After setup, your NAS become available to all devices in the same network, your PC, phone or even your smart TV. Now what you can do with NAS. What can you do with it? File backup, media streaming, file sharing, personal cloud, security cameras, virtual machines. File backup. You can backup your computer or phone automatically to your NAS. Media streaming. Watch your movies, songs or photos from NAS on your TV or mobile. File sharing. In office, many people can access the same files easily. Personal cloud. Access your files anywhere, just like Google Drive. Security cameras. You can record your CCTV footage directly into NAS. Virtual machines. Some NAS models even let you run many servers to virtual systems. Most NAS devices support something called RAID, that means redundant array of independent disks. Sounds complicated. Let's make it simple. RAID means your data is stored in multiple drives in a smart way. If one hard drive fails, your data is still safe in the others. For example, if you have two drives, one keeps the main data and the other keeps a copy. That's way, if one drive dies, no data loss. You can see some of the popular NAS brands are. Each brand has different models, from small home NAS with two drives to big office NAS with 12 or more. Let's see why people prefer NAS over just using an external drive. Always online, NAS stays on 24/7. You don't have to plug it in every time. Multiple users, many people can access the same files together. Safe backup, RAID protect your data, remote access. You can reach your files from anywhere. Expandable storage, add more drives anytime when you need more space. Nothing is perfect. NAS also has a few downsides. It is more expensive than a normal external hard drive. Setup can be a bit tricky for beginners. Needs to stay power on all the time. If not configured properly, it can be slow or insecure. But once you set it up correctly, it becomes your most powerful tool for data storage. So in simple words, NAS is like your own private cloud where you can store, share and protect all your files. It is smart, powerful and very useful, whether you are using it at home or in your business. If you want to keep your data safe, easy to access and under your control, then yes, NAS is the best choice. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you learn something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to FixTrix, because here we make tech easy and simple, step by step. See you in the next one. Thanks you guys.